Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to sell your GoDaddy website. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner we'll have the option to go ahead and log into our account. So what you want to do is, if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can get started with setting up the domain name. We can see all the products and services we can access and buy and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to sell our website or our domain that we have. So let's go ahead guys and scroll down and find the products and services option right here, and let's get started to see all of our products. So after opening it up guys, you can see right here at the top of the screen we can now see all the options we can access, such as domains, website hosting, and so on. Let's go ahead and open up domains right here, and here we can go ahead and see our domains. So guys, we have multiple options we can use. What we can do is option for domain names, so that we can go ahead and set our domain to be able to be bought by somebody else, or we can go ahead and transfer them. So if you click on transfer domain names guys, you can see you can now transfer your .com domain to somebody else, and what you can do is go ahead and get started with getting the payment from them, and after that you can go ahead and successfully transfer that domain over to them, and that's how you can sell it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.